We are here today to talk about something that's very fundamental to the human experience, the way we work, and more specifically, the way we work with computers. We are at the start of a new era of computing, and another step on this journey. Over the past few months, powerful new foundation models together with accessible natural language interface has ushered in an exciting new phase of AI.
The release of GPT-4 by OpenAI marked a significant milestone in the move towards artificial general intelligence, AGI. AGI is the final stage of the evolution of AI where machines are generally more intelligent than humans. GPT-4 is an upgrade of the large language model ChatGPT, GPT 3.5 Turbo, with a greater number of parameters than the infamous ChatGPT. Text-based language models have gained the reputation as being the first real-world application of artificial intelligence, AI. As the deployment of AI continues to dominate the conversation in everyday life, ChatGPT is arguably the winner in all this talking points. GPT-4 has outperformed ChatGPT and all state-of-the-art competing models in almost every metric using relevant benchmarks. OpenAI's chief scientist has described GPT-4 as a recipe for producing magic. This is a very big claim to make until you test the product out and understand why it is probably an understatement. GPT-4 is a large-scale multimodal model which can accept image and text inputs and produce text outputs. It exhibits human-level performance on various professional and academic benchmarks, including passing a simulated bar exam with a score around the top 10% of test takers. These models are on a total new level of innovation and are an important area of study as they have the potential to be used in a wide array of applications, such as dialogue systems, text summarization, and machine translation. OpenAI has become the de facto leader in the field of artificial intelligence, and the release of GPT-4 is a testament to that fact. In this video, we will examine the capabilities, performance, accuracy, limitations, and risk associated with GPT-4. We will also look at how to mitigate those risks and make AI technology a complementary tech for the benefit of humans. Capabilities. On a suite of traditional NLP benchmarks, GPT-4 outperforms both previous large language models and most state-of-the-art systems. To examine its potential in such scenarios, GPT-4 was evaluated on a variety of exams originally designed for humans, and it performs quite well and often outsmarts the vast majority of human test takers. GPT-4 is an advanced language model that can generate coherent paragraphs of text and carry on multi-turn conversations. It achieves strong performance on a variety of language tasks like summarization, question answering, and a form of common-sense reasoning. Accuracy. GPT-4 continues the trend of steadily improving accuracy and reduced error rates compared to earlier models like GPT-3. Its accuracy on massive multitask language understanding, MMLU, benchmark was comparable to none, as it outperformed all known large models in English and 57 other popular languages tested. With an accuracy level of 85.5% for English and approximately 83.5% for more than 10 popular languages in the world. When presented with a panel data containing different kinds of images, GPT-4 was able to give accurate and reliable description of the various sections and distinctively identify the smallest details. These, when considered against other large language models, is clearly the best among all available models. Performance-wise, GPT-4 has demonstrated impressive results in both natural language understanding and generation tasks. In particular, it has achieved state-of-the-art results in several NLP tasks, including question answering, summarization, and machine translation. GPT-4 was able to pass the uniform bar exams and other tests designed for humans with a greater level of precision and sometimes better than human test takers. It also performs these tasks better than previous OpenAI models like ChatGPT, GPT-3, and all other known language models like Chinchilla, Palm, and Google Bard. Leave a comment and subscribe for more exciting content from us. Limitations. Despite its impressive performance, GPT-4 is not without its limitations. It has difficulty understanding complex concepts and can be prone to mistakes if given incorrect input. Also, GPT-4 is not suitable for all applications, as it is limited in its ability to learn and generalize. Its biggest limitation is that it hallucinates, that is, it produces content that is nonsensical or untruthful in relation to certain sources, even though still better than all models. This tendency can be particularly harmful as models become increasingly convincing and believable, leading to over-reliance on them by users. thanks to recent advances in training large AI models and more powerful computing infrastructure. GPT-4 is capable of processing information and generating responses in near real time. However, performance degrades significantly for more complex, long-form generation tasks. GPT-4 has similar limitations as earlier GPT models. Most importantly, it still is not fully reliable. Great care should be taken when using language model outputs, particularly in high-stakes contexts when the risk associated with making a mistake is very costly. Risks. Despite attempts to promote safety and interpretability, GPT-4 remains an opaque black box system. There are valid concerns about how GPT-4 could be misused or manipulated for nefarious purposes like generating misleading information or impersonating humans. More work is needed to address AI safety and ethics as models become increasingly capable. GPT-4 carries certain risks. These include potential misuse of the model, such as creating false or misleading information, or creating biased results due to its reliance on large datasets. As such, it is important to be aware of these risks when using GPT-4 for any application. Safety and alignment. GPT-4 demonstrates an improvement in safety concerns. It filters prompts that are deemed harmful and dangerous as compared to previous GPT versions. Prompts that are considered sensitive by the model gets the following response: as an AI language model, I am committed to promoting positive and inclusive content. I cannot provide jokes that may offend someone based on their religion, disability, or any other personal factors. Conclusion. GPT-4 significantly reduces hallucinations relative to previous GPT-3 models, which have themselves been improving with continued iteration. GPT-4 scores 19 percentage points higher than ChatGPT on internal adversarially designed factuality evaluations from OpenAI. It has improved capabilities, whilst performance is usually measured in English. GPT-4's perfomamnce can be demonstrated in many different languages. OpenAI highlighted how predictable scaling allowed the model to make accurate predictions on the loss and capabilities of GPT-4. GPT-4 presents new risks due to increased capability. It has become a household name and a pioneer in the field of AI and its applications in real life. Though there remains much work to be done, GPT-4 represents a significant step towards broadly useful and safely deployed AI systems. Thank you for watching.